Today, we're looking at the Comet browser powered by Perplexity AI. What you'll need to do is to download the Comet browser onto your hard drive. We're going to save it to our hard drive. Once the installation is complete, you can then launch the Comet browser. And the Comet browser is now installed on our hard drive. Now, the Comet browser is agentic. That means that we can have the browser take steps on our behalf, and those steps can occur in multiples. As you can see here, the prompt that we wrote was for the Comet browser to highlight emails in their upcoming deadlines. What we can do is we can then connect our Gmail and our Google Calendar to the Comet browser. Once we connect the Comet browser, we'll then give us a picture of what it is that we ask for, and you'll see it here, and you'll see all of the deadlines that we ask for. We can ask now any question about our inbox from our Comet browser. So we can write a query into the assistant, and then we can click on Enter, and the assistant with Comet will then search our inbox to determine what it is that we have. So the agent can interact with your inbox inside of Perplexity and use Perplexity as a tool to manage your calendar as well as your inbox. And we can then go one step further. We can then ask the Comet browser to reply to a specific email. And then what the assistant will do is it will go into our email. It will look at the email that we want, and then it will give us an email that we can use in order to reply. We can then send or refine the email, or we can skip it altogether. So the Comet browser gives us a way of being able to interact with our inbox as well as our calendar. Comet will remember your browser history. So what you can do is you can ask Comet about things that you have previously done in your browser, and to ask Comet to take actions based on what it is that you have done. So we can enter a multi-step query. So what we have done is we have given a multi-step process for the Comet browser to undertake for us. We are now going to click Enter, and we're going to allow the assistant to look at our previous browser history, and then to take that information and then manipulate it in the way in which we have asked. We can go one step further and ask for images based on the actual writing that we have done. And our Comet browser will then seek to provide the access that we have asked for. And since we ask for images, you'll see them here in this area. We could have manually gone to generate the image ourselves. However, we use the agentic feature inside of Comet in order to generate them on our behalf. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.